Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shujat Ali from Medico's Lectures by Shujat, and today I am here to explain the anatomy of cerebellum, histological structures of cerebellum. Histological structures of cerebellum are basically uniform throughout, and we have three types of histological structures. First point is they are uniform. We have three types of histological structure. Histological structures, histological layers. First layer we call that molecular layer. Molecular layer is consist of unmyelinated nerve fibers and also molecular layer contain basket and stellate cells. Our second layer and second histological structure is intermediate layer of cerebellum. Intermediate layer is a single layer containing cell bodies of Purkinje cells. And our last and third layer in histological structures of cerebellum is the inner layer of cerebellum. In the inner layer, we have cell bodies, dendrites, and granules of Golgi cells. Cell bodies, dendrites, of granule cells, and Golgi cells. Next, we are going to discuss the neurons of cerebellum, their types and their complete detail. We have 5 different types of neurons in cerebellum. Our first type is Purkinje cells. Purkinje cells are large and flask shaped and climbing fibers are from inferior olivary nucleus. Climbing fibers of Purkinje cells are from inferior olivary nucleus. Our second type in neurons of cerebellum is granule cells. In granule cells, we have small rounded axons that they are parallel to each other. Rounded axons in granule cells, and they are parallel to each other. Our third type is stellate cells or basket cells. Stellate cells or basket cells are the right angle to the axis of folium. Axis of folium right angle. And our fourth type is Golgi cells. Golgi cells are the largest cells have their relation as an output and input. As an input, they have relation with Mose fibers or Mose fibers. As an output, they have their relationship with granule cells, and it acts as an interrelation between Mose and granule cells as an output and input. In the last, we discuss the sensory fibers of cerebellum. Basically, we have two main fibers. First is Mose fiber, and the second is climbing fiber. All afferent except inferior olivary fiber are from Mose fibers. All afferent fibers except inferior olivary fiber. They have the connections with dendrites and cell and synaptic cleft of Purkinje fibers. Basically, they have connections with dendrites, inferior olivary fibers, dendrites of Purkinje fibers, and all others afferent fibers are from Mose fibers. Thank you so much. It's the second part of our anatomy of cerebellum. Hope you all understand well. Thank you.